Hi, this is HD Moto Mark, and in this video I am installing the Tokonomi LED Halo headlight for my Harley-Davidson Iron 883. I purchased this off Amazon for approximately $45. They instruct you to remove the main fuse and not to turn on the ignition during the installation. It requires removing the trim ring around the existing headlight and then unplugging the light from the harness. The new light plugs right in, but as you can see, it has a 3 or 4 inch cord that needs to fit back into the housing. It's a tight fit, but I got it in there. Then you reinstall the trim ring, which holds the light housing in place. The results are pretty impressive. It's much brighter than the stock headlight. This completes the entire LED upgrade for my Sportster, as I replaced the turn signals and brake lights in an earlier video.